Hello and welcome back to another video on Unboxing 360. Today we will be unboxing a Boya M1DM dual omnidirectional lavalier mic. Let us get into the unboxing of it. At first we have the user's guide, the warranty card. Let us keep this on the side. Here we have the pouch with everything inside it. A piece of bag. I'll just keep the pouch on the side. Here we have the main microphones. These are really long wires with these two microphones at the main and the audio jack. Here we have extra accessories, the clip-on tool, a second one for another mic. Here we have a larger audio jack, and here we have the foams for the microphone. Okay, now we will connect all of these together. You just push it into the microphone. Now I will take out the clip-on tools. You just push it into the microphone. Here, this part. And that's it. Let me take the other one. And that's all. Now we can connect it to a phone and test it. Here we have one of the microphones. We can just take it and clip it into your t-shirt like this, have the proper placing, and we can talk through this to the other devices. Okay, so we have a DSLR camera right here which we will be connecting to the microphone. Here is the jack. I will just put it in, and then we have a switch here. Here it says off or my smartphone, so we do not need this switch to turn on for the smartphones, but for a camera we need to specifically turn on the switch. Here it is on. Now let us test this real quick. I still have the microphone tucked into my t-shirt. Hello, mic testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. And that's it. Now let me hear it back.
Hello, mic testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Okay, close. Okay, so that's all.